the evidence has started. And our first witness, that is Professor V. Jyoti Prakash, is in witness box. His evidence was tendered and his report was also tendered before the tribunal. And pursuant to that, the state of Karnataka has started cross-examination of our witness. Now that cross-examination went on for 3 days, that is on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now the cross-examination is further posted on Monday. Now one incident I may just narrate, that on Thursday when the cross-examination was going on, the state of Karnataka confronted the witness with a document, that is a WMO manual for setting up of hydrological stations of 2008. They referred it to as 2008, which in fact was of 1994. Now that was brought to the notice of the tribunal in the next date of hearing, and the tribunal came down heavily on state of Karnataka, saying that Karnataka was trying to mislead the tribunal, and accordingly all the questions which were asked pursuant to that WMO report, WMO manual, that is question number 67 to question number 65 to question number 71, all those questions have been expunged by a detailed order passed by the tribunal.
अंतरीम व्यवस्था म्हणून कर्नाटकान 7 TMC उदक मागला. कर्नाटकाच्या अर्जाचेर 12 जुलयाक गोंय जाप दिवपाचें आसा.
IA filed by state of Karnataka for diverting 7 TMC of water. That's an interim relief application which is filed by them. And other is the main matter which is going on before the tribunal. As far as first matter is concerned, the Karnataka pressed for an interim relief and the state of Goa requested time to file their reply, and accordingly 4 weeks time was granted by the tribunal to file their reply. The state of Karnataka pressed that the hearing be conducted in April or May. So tribunal did not accept to that argument and posted the matter on 12th of July as far as IA is concerned.
गोयचो साक्षीदार डॉक्टर ज्योती प्रकाशाची सोमाराय उलट तपासणी चलतली. ज्योती प्रकाशा उपरांत हायड्रोलॉजीचेर गोयचो फुडलो साक्षीदार चेतन पंडित आसतलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी.